Dreaming of shaping the future? Our engineering program equips you with the skills and knowledge to turn that dream into reality. Our program offers a comprehensive education in mathematics, physical sciences, and engineering, setting a solid groundwork for your transfer to a 4-year university as an engineering major. You'll gain practical experience with cutting-edge technology and state-of-the-art facilities. Engage in exciting projects like constructing and testing underwater autonomous vehicles, and delve into diverse engineering fields, including robotics. Our hands-on approach assures you're ready to tackle real-world challenges. Join a community of motivated students and experienced instructors who are dedicated to helping you succeed. Ready to kickstart your engineering journey? Visit our website to learn more about the engineering program and enroll today. We're excited to help you build a strong foundation for a successful engineering career.